Yo guys, what up? Jobak here. And for this video, pag-uusapan natin yung nalalapit na bull market. Or is it still a bear market? Kasi ang taas ng value ng coins pero ang baba pa rin ng mining profits. Hindi pa tayo profitable guys. Okay? Parang nagulan ako, Jomak. Huwag kang magalala. Because dito sa video na to, itatackle ko yung mga reasons why we're still not yet in the bull market for mining. Okay, again, clear ko yan We're still not yet in the bull market for GPU mining. Pero papunta na tayo doon. Okay? So, ganito kasi yan, guys. For cryptocurrency, di ba last time nag-costing ako, no? Kaya actually, iniwasan ko yung mga costing videos Kasi I think nag-costing video ako 1 week lang ago. And at that time, when I was doing that costing video, Bitcoin is around 35 to 37,000 USD. As of December 5, okay? Almost December 6 na kasi it's late. Pero December 5, 2023, ang Bitcoin price right now is hovering between 41,000 and 42,000 USD. So, nandun na tayo kataas, guys. And actually, the profit, ito, mas importante, yung profit na sinabi ko last time is 25 pesos per day per 3070. Pero based on my last calculation, again, the profitability fluctuates. Sinabi ko na kung ano yung mga factors na yun, no? Network difficulty, rewards, price of the coin. Pero basically, the profit of a single GPU or RTX 3070 right now is around 49 mga ganun per day. So we're nearing the 1:1, which is yung parang bowing ratio. Kung ayaw mo mag-compute, basically, ang isang buong mining rig, okay, which is around 10 3070, plus yung system unit cost ng power, kung 13 kilowatt per hour, which is yun yung rate dito sa aking location, kung nagmimina ako na isang buwan, more or less, ang namimina ko na crypto is around 14,800. Tapos, ang kuryente ko will be around 15,100, 15,200. So, nakita niyo yung difference? Napakaliit na lang, no? Pero syempre, as miners, gusto natin, usually, gusto natin, nagmimina tayo kahit konting positive. Ayaw natin magmina at a loss. Okay? Of course, there are debates for that. But anyways, for the purposes of discussion, sa presyo ng kilowatt hour ko ngayon sa kuryente, hindi pa ako profitable. Okay? Pero, kung ikaw ay naka-solar, okay, kahit hindi man yan maghapon, kahit on-grid lang yan, mga grid tayo solar users dito, actually, you would have another 16 to 20% delta. So, you are most likely profitable right now. Kung ikaw is between 9 to 10 pesos per kilowatt hour, or maybe lower, then definitely profitable ka na right now. Okay, so clear lang yan guys, clear yan Okay, so going back, no? Jomak, bakit ganun? Ang taas na ng crypto, ang bilis tumaas, parang paakyat na talaga siya. Pero, hindi pa rin pala bull run, hindi pa rin pala grabe ang profitability ng GPU mining. Kasi ganito yan, guys. For crypto, yung price niya mataas, pero yung mining, okay, actually, for ASIC mining, profitable to. And even ng bear market, profitable yan. Ang problem lang yan is actually marami. Iko-compare ko with sa next episode natin, ASIC versus GPU. Pero ang ASIC has been profitable for a good amount of the year natin. Okay? The reason hindi ko to ma-recommend sa next video. But basically, malaki ang capital and mahirap siyang i-run. Okay? Kailangan marunong ka na talaga for this one. So mining, hindi pa siya profitable guys kasi nung last na bull market natin, sobrang daming nahatak na GPU. Sobrang daming GPUs na nahatak natin. I mean, ng lahat tayo ng mga miners, GPU miners, ang dami nating biniling GPUs. And even now, actually, I think I still have around mga 20 plus na cards. And some of them matataas. 3080, 3090, which is nung bull run. Ang 3090 ko cost around 158,000 ang isa. Alright? Ang 3080, nandyan pa yan actually, nakabox lang, nakatambak lang. Yung 3080, bakit di mo binenta, Joe? Na busy na, wala na sa priority ko. Anyway, mahabang storya. Pero nandyan pa sila. 3080, meron din ako dyan. 3070s and some other cards. But anyways, yun nga, meron tayong malaking GPU glut. So, ibig sabihin, kung mentras tumataas yung profitability ng coin, mas maraming nag-o-online na miners like you. Diba? Ikaw, kung pinapanood mo tong video na to and you're waiting for my go signal para magmina, sinabi ko na nga, kung 10 pesos per kilowatt hour and below, then pwede ka na magmina. Kung 13 pesos per kilowatt hour, pero naka-solar ka naman, you're basically saving 16 to 20% of your power cost, then by all means, magmina ka na. Kung ikaw ay may subsidy sa kuryente, kung ang nirerenta mong place ilibre yung kuryente, kung ang staff house or whatever arrangement you have with your company or yung lugar mo, napakababa talaga ng charge sa kuryente or baka may solar setup ka na talaga, then by all means, start mining. Okay? Partida. Lagi ko sinasabi, ang profitability ng mining is hindi nakadepende kung kailan ka nagmimina. Nakadepende yan kung kailan mo siya ibebenta, kung kailan ka mag-take profit. Okay? So going back, no? Since meron tayong GPU glut, that's a bad thing. Tama, Jomak? Tama. Actually, no. Depends on how you look at it. Kung katulad ko, okay, na nung time na nagbuo ako nitong huli bago, Ethereum proof of stake, tapos sinabi ko na, sige, buo na lang ako ba, ayusin ko na, siguro ipasa ko or whatever pa bago mag-bear market. Pero sobrang na busy na ako, hindi ko na talaga napanahonan. Hanggang sa sabi ko, hindi, baba na ng price, antayin ko pa tumaas hanggang sa bumaba na ng bumaba at tinago ko na lang yung mga rigs. That's bad for me, this GPU glut. Pero if you are watching this and wala ka pang mining rig, hindi ka pa nag-start, then actually baligtad eh. Dapat nga hindi ka malungkot na maganito. Dahil alam mong oversaturated right now ng GPUs. Buyer's market right now. So buy used cards. Paulit-ulit ko ito sinasabi, guys. And full disclosure, I have a shop. We build mining rigs. We can build brand new cards na mining rigs. Pabor yan sa akin as a businessman. Pero hindi ko ma-advise sa fellow miners natin. And especially people that are looking to enter in GPU mining. Hindi ko siya ma-advise kasi sobrang attractive ng price ng used cards. Okay? Before, we used to have RTX 3070, 60,000 pesos. Guys, I'm not even joking. Kung ngayon mo palang napapanood yung mga videos ko, ang feeling mo, baliw na ang pricing na yan. Hindi. Yan talaga ang pricing niya nung bull run, unfortunately. And right now, they're going for what? 15, 13, 12 sa marketplace, Facebook. Search mo lang. Some other online sellers, they're going for cheap. Okay? So, dapat nga matuwa ka na may glut. Okay? Hindi siya dapat maging disadvantage sa'yo. Well, sa iba, people like me. Pero sa'yo, hindi. And I'm not even telling you to buy it from my shop. I don't have used cars. Well, actually, meron ako. Pero I'm not selling them. Kasi inaantay ko rin na magamit ko na sila. But I'm just saying na kahit wala akong kita actually, yun ang advice ko sa'yo. Look for good cards. Bago tumaas yung profitability ng mining. Okay? Yun naman yung isang warning ko. It doesn't mean na mababa ang pricing ng ang kita ng GPU ngayon. A month from now, if you're watching this January, February, March, or April, actually, mas malala kung onwards April na, and we entered the bull run, okay? Yung parang we went over 50,000 na, 60,000, 70,000, okay? And I hope I'm wrong, pero kung pinapanood mo to at ganun nakataas ang crypto ngayon, the chances are you will not be able to buy good cards for cheap. Actually, baka nga you will not be able to buy cards at all. Sa tingin ko. Kasi RTX 4000 series, hindi ganun karaming nilabas ng Nvidia. Alam nila, nasa reports nila yan. Sobrang baba ng quantity. So, for this bull run, I don't think we have enough cards to use. Anyway, so get early, okay? Buy used cards. Okay? Joma, kami naman, yung mga katulad mo, yung mga may rig, kailan kami mag-start? This is my advice. Wait for at least 45,000 USD. Kung naghahanap ka talaga ng profit, and mahal yung kuryente mo, and gusto mo talaga sure ka na pag niran mo yan, wala nang patayan, sinetap mo na, naabala ka na, gano'n. Kasi alam natin, yung iba dyan nakabaon din, no? Sa mga box, and yung mga system unit nila are also not working. So, I suggest you wait for this price, 45,000 USD. And if you're a client ng mining rig parts and supply, most likely magbibigay ako ng announcement kasi I want to give back and reconnect with our previous clients and to show our thank you and yung gratitude. I'm just waiting for my team kasi right now naka-skeleton lang, naka-dissolve kami kasi bear market nga. Pero if we reach this one, I will make sure na to build the team and mag-offer ng free cleaning, saka setup, saka upgrade ng OS and other stuff, drivers, ganun. So, i-announce ko to. If you're a client of Mining Rig Parts and Supply, abangan mo yan. Because definitely we will message you. Okay? Through our page. Okay? I-announce ko yan, promise. So, 45,000. Okay? Again, ulitin ko this is your price if this is your power cost. Kung katulad kita, 13 pesos per kilowatt hour. If you're 10 and below, you should be mining right now. Okay? Yun yung advice ko. And again, kahit 13 ka nga, actually, pwede ka na mag-start. Because if the price is going up anyway, ma-offset mo naman yung cost mo. Okay? And I don't think na nagmamine ka ngayon kasi bili-benta. No? Most likely, if you're mining right now, nagmamine ka lang, tapos nag-hold. So, I think you can also start. Kung gusto mo. Pero ang advice ko, wait for this. 45K. Okay. So, Jomak, puro negative naman to, except dito. Okay? Ano naman ang positive? Tingin ko, nag-bull run na yung crypto and eventually, nagbo-bull run na rin yung mining kasi we have the halving event. Ano ibig sabihin ng Jomak? Hihina yung supply ng crypto. At the same time, kung nagbo-bull run na, imagine, ang daming gusto pumasok, tapos kakat mo yung supply. So, kaya lalong tataas ang presyo ni Bitcoin. When this happens, ano nangyayari sa altcoins? Lahat umaakyat. Okay? Second is this one. ETFs. I'm sure, susubaybayan ko naman to. And if this happens in January, I think first week Alam ko, 7 yata. January 7 or 7, 8. 7, 8, ganyan. Alam ko first week ang ETFs. Deadline ng approval. So, it can be as early as parang first few days in January, but I don't think so. Feeling ko buzzer beater. Okay, and worst case, hindi siya ma-approve. So, ito, very critical to. If you're looking into crypto right now, tapos first week na ng January, ito abangan mo. This will be more or less parang assurance mo na aakyat na talaga lahat yan. And actually, ito yung inaantay kong assurance bago ako magpa-construct ng further investments. Actually, solar panel para sa crypto mining. Okay? So again, ang advice ko sa inyo, if you haven't started mining yet, okay, mag-invest ka na. Time, learn, research. Okay? Mag-invest ka na, effort. Mag-build ka ng maliit na rig, isang card lang dyan, mag-experiment ka. Kasi magta-trial and error ka pa eh. Mag-aaral ka, no? Tapos, you start small, okay? Kasi ganito yan. By the time na nagbo-bull run na tayo, if you're watching this January onwards, kunwari lang okay yung ETF, tapos papunta na tayo ng halving, tapos ang taas na ng GPU profitability. If you're still at this stage, tapos profitable na tayo, kahit sabihin na natin isang mining rig, ang kita nyo mga 5,000 a month. I think it will be too late by that time. You will not be able to get this. Most likely, kinain na namin to. And actually, newsflash, I'm actually buying cards. So if you know someone that are planning to sell their mining rigs for some reason, I'm actually buying cards, bulk. So if you have around mga 20, 50 pieces, ganyan, maybe 100 pieces ng RTX 3000 series na NVIDIA cards, comment down below. Connect tayo. So pwede naman yan kung gusto mo mag-refer lang ng kakilala mo. Okay, I'm buying cards right now. So anyway, going back, I suggest you start this. Huwag mo simulan to. Again, ulitin ko, stress ko to. Huwag mo simulan lahat ng to kapag ka profitable na kami, yung mga existing miners. You will not be able to do this. May hirapan ka. I suggest you do this right now. And actually, dun sa next na video natin, i-discuss ko kailan ba yung perfect timing and more importantly, why I think right now, okay, if you're waiting for my go signal, why I think December 2023, kailangan mo na mag-start mag-mining. I think this is the best time. Kung meron man akong time na pwede akong mag-advise. Actually, I was supposed to say wait until the halving di ba, April. Pero kasi ang bilis tumaas nasa 40s na tayo And I really hope no by the time na pinapanood mo tong video na to, nasa 50s na tayo. Man, December, I think is the best time to start mining. Wala kang malulose, promise. I don't think at this price, I don't think you will lose anything. Kung bibilin mo man kunwari 2070, no, binili mo 12,000, 13,000, 14,000, maybe even 15,000. Kung ayaw mo mag-mining, pwede mo more or less ibenta yun ng same price. Wala kang losses. The system unit is system unit. You will be able to use it anyway. So, yun yung tingin ko. And of course, di ba na may guide na ako. Kung gusto mo talaga, 10K, makakabuo ka na ng mining rig mo. So, what do you have to lose, guys? I mean, ganito lang yan. A lot of people, they invest in bags, no? Wallet, gadgets, SLR, iPhone, kotse. Di ba? Imagine yung laki ng lugi. Again, di kita pinapangaral. Pera mo yun di ba? Pero I'm just telling you right now. What do you have to lose? Ang liit ng risk mo right now. You might not be able to have this opportunity again after a few months. So I suggest you do something about it. Okay, start small. Tapos kung feel mo gusto mo na, mag-scale ka na lang ulit. Di mo kailangan mag-invest ng 300,000. Kasi iba takot Diba? Parang pag sinabi ko, magkano ba mining rig? Well, yung system unit nasa 25 to 30,000. Tapos yung card, ikaw na magpo-provide. Kaya more or less abot ka ng 150 to 300,000. Ganun talaga kalaki yun, guys. Hindi biro yung pera na yan. Alam ko yun. Okay? Kasi doon din ako nagsimula pa isa-isa. So, ang suggestion ko, mag-start ka muna maliit. Tapos saka mo na palaki. Okay? Pero bilisan mo. Diba? Act now. Okay? So, that's it. For the next video, GPU versus ASIC. Tapos, why I think December is the perfect time to start. So, salamat again sa panonood. If you're not yet subscribe ka na. So, you can follow the developments. Hopefully, for the next bull run. And thanks for watching. Jomar here. Peace out.